Hello and welcome to SUNY Coby News for the spring 2025 semester. I'm Cassie Van. This is a student-produced newscast staffed by communication students enrolled here at SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech. Thank you for joining us. With the deep frost already behind us, area farmers are still working hard getting some remaining crops harvested. If you're someone who is not used to driving in a rural area with lots of farmland, you might not be thinking about possible dangers on our local roads. Drivers in rural farmland should be careful and keep an eye out for unexpected farm equipment around the next corner. Large farm trucks, harvesting combines, and tractors are usually slow-moving vehicles that can be difficult to stop quickly. It can be a hazard, especially for drivers unfamiliar with roads in agricultural settings. Remember this: if you see crops, be prepared to stop. The New York Center for Agricultural Medicine and Health, also known as NYCAM, in Cooperstown, targets the issue with several local and regional safety and training programs, including efforts to properly identify slow-moving vehicles with large reflective triangle signs. When you see those big triangle signs on vehicles, that's your clue as a driver that the vehicle is a possibly slow-moving farm vehicle. NYCAM also holds training throughout the year for farmers to promote a safe mindset, which includes the safety of large, slow-moving farm equipment on public roads. In order to make room for more books, the Van Wagenen Library is hosting a book sale. There are carts on the main floor of the library holding books and DVDs across multiple genres, including mystery, science, math, writing, and biographies. All of the paperback books are 50 cents, and the hardcover books and DVDs are $1. This sale is a great way to discover new books and movies for cheap, while also making a small donation to the library. The last day of the sale is tomorrow, October 21st. The Van Wagenen Library staff is announcing the winners of the last week's chili cook-off event. Jody Northrup wins 2 categories, Best Tasting and Most Unique. Second place in Best Tasting is Marcy Price and the 3 C's, making a plus. And third place is a tie between Kelly Yacobucci's Tried and True Chili and Faye Starman's Holy Kielbasa Batman Recipe. Second and third place in the Most Unique category go to Teresa Dooley's Oh My Gourd and Price's 3 C's Approach. And in the hottest category, second place is Dawn Fullen's Risk It for the Brisket, while third place goes to Chili. Congratulations to all the winners, and keep an eye out for the potential return of the Mac and Cheese Challenge in the spring semester. If you have ideas for different forms of events like this, stop into the Van Wagenen Library to chat with the staff. SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech is offering you the chance to get your dog into some classes while helping current students at the same time. You can sign up for one or both courses being offered by the Canine program in the Institute for Rural Vitality. Each course will run for 5 weeks, beginning on November 4th. The Tuesday evening course will cover obedience training, and Thursday night course will involve scent work. Each class meets from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. Again, you can sign up for one or both courses. The fee is $150 for each course. Your enrollment also helps a SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech intern with their work towards gaining more teaching experience. There's more coming up. You're watching SUNY Coby News from the video production facilities here on the SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech campus. Stay with us.
There are 16 million children struggling with hunger in America. That's 1 in 5 daughters, sons, neighbors, and classmates who don't know where their next meal is coming from. Yet billions of pounds of good food go to waste every year. It's time we do something about it. Feeding America is a nationwide network of food banks that helps provide meals to millions of kids and families in need. Visit feedingamerica.org to help them feed even more. Together, we can solve hunger. Together, we're feeding America.
The communication programs here at SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech are helping to prepare the next generation of media professionals. You can help us do that by supporting the SUNY Cobleskill College Foundation. Your tax-deductible contributions help students gain real-world, hands-on experience in media content creation and journalism, just like what we're bringing you right now on SUNY Coby News. Are you excited for Halloween tomorrow?
I'm so excited for Halloween tomorrow.
I can't believe October is almost over.
It's crazy, flew right by. Are you excited for the Halloween event on campus tonight?
Wait, what? There's a Halloween event? What is it?
Yeah, so clubs will be tabling and all the clubs are doing something a little different, and like kids from the community are coming for it. The conditions currently are 46 degrees and rainy, and it's going to be a little breezy. And tonight we're going to get into a low of 46 with up to a half an inch of rain. And tomorrow for Halloween, it's going to be a high of 48 and a low of 39 with some showers in the evening. So listen to your mom and wear a coat if you're going out. And on Saturday, we will have a high of 45 and it'll be cloudy but clear up later in the day. And on Sunday, we'll have a high of 51 and it'll be partly cloudy, but there will be some sun. And this partly cloudy trend will carry on for the rest of the week. On Monday, it'll be 56 degrees and partly cloudy early in the day, but it'll rain later at night. And let's get into the extended forecast for the rest of the week. On Tuesday, we'll have a high of 56 and a low of 39, and it'll be partly cloudy. On Wednesday, we'll have a high of 51 and a low of 36, and it'll continue to be partly cloudy. And on Thursday, we'll have morning showers with a high of 47 and a low of 30. And on Friday, it'll be partly cloudy with a high of 48 and a low of 37. And on Saturday, we'll have some rain with a high of 51 and a low of 39.
Thank you, Lila, for that weather update. We'll be back with details on upcoming campus events and more news after these messages.
You're watching SUNY Coby News from the video production studio on campus of SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech. Stay with us.
When I was in foster care, I never knew when I would have to move, so I always had my suitcase ready to go. Then one day, I was adopted. My new parents opened their hearts and home to me. My parents cook my favorite breakfast for me every morning. My parents take me on trips I never thought I would go on. They gave me a home and an even better reason to use that suitcase. My parents aren't perfect, but they're perfect for me.
Hello and welcome back to SUNY Coby News. I'm Cassie Van. Thank you for joining us. Recently, the Student Government Association held an event in the Unity Center to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month called the Festival de las Empanadas, where students had tres leches cake, chips, soda, and of course, empanadas. The students could also choose to add toppings of their choice, including lettuce, refried beans, and cheese, while everyone enjoyed the delicious food. Hispanic music was played in the background to really pull everything together. Attendees listened to lively Hispanic music that set the festive atmosphere, more than just a celebration of food. This event celebrates the richness of Hispanic culture and heritage right here on the SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech campus. The empanada event is just one example of the kids and of activities happening here on campus. When you're looking to get involved on campus or in the Cobleskill community, we've got you covered. Let's look at some events coming up this week. Today, October 13th, there is a 5-versus-5 basketball going on in Bauk Gym from 9 to 11 p.m. If you are interested in playing, sign up for your team using the link found on the Cork app. Tomorrow, October 31st, Champlain Hall will be holding a costume contest from 4 to 5:30 p.m. On Saturday, November 1st, there will be Sugar Skull painting in Lower Brickyard Point from 7 to 9 p.m. On Monday, November 3rd, there will be a Sustainability Palooza from 7 to 9 p.m. On November 4th, the American Red Cross will be hosting a blood drive in Bauk Ballroom from 11 to 30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. For more information about events on campus, check out Coby Engage and be sure to download the Cork app. That's all for this edition of SUNY Coby News from SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech. I'm Cassie Van. We'll be back soon with another edition of SUNY Coby News from the video production studio located on the second floor of the Van Wagenen Library building. For more details about the 2 and 4 communication programs, along with the new agriculture communication program here at SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech, visit cobleskill.edu today. You can also find us on social media. Follow SUNY Coby on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Again, I'm Cassie Van for all of here in the SUNY Cobleskill communication programs. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back soon with another edition of SUNY Coby News.